Oh, here is Dragons Love Tacos. Hey kid, did you know that dragons love tacos? They love beef tacos and chicken tacos. They love really big, gigantic tacos and tiny little baby tacos as well. Why do dragons love tacos? Maybe it's the smell from the sizzling pan. Maybe it's the crunch of the crispy tortillas. Maybe it's a secret. Either way, if you want to make friends with dragons, tacos are key. Hey, dragon, why do you guys love tacos so much? But wait, as much as dragons love tacos, they hate spicy salsa even more. They hate green spicy salsa and spicy red salsa. They hate spicy chunky salsa and spicy smooth salsa. If the salsa is spicy at all, dragons can't stand it. Why do dragons hate spicy salsa? Well, just one drop of hot sauce makes a dragon's ear smoke. Just one single speck of hot pepper makes a dragon snort sparks. Spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles. And when dragons get the tummy troubles, oh boy. If you want to make tacos for dragons, keep the toppings mild. Tomatoes, lettuce, cheese. These are all good toppings for tacos for dragons. What about you guys? What's your favorite toppings? I love all of these too. Hey, dragon, how do you feel about spicy taco toppings? Blech. Dragons love parties. They like costume parties. Look at that. They love pool parties. Woohoo! They like big, gigantic parties with accordions. Now, accordions, boys and girls, are a musical instrument that's kind of like a little bit like a piano in the end, and you pump it back and forth and fill it with air, and it makes kind of a loud noise. Accordions are very old school. And they love little tiny parties with charades. Charades is a game that you act out. You can't use the word that you picked. You have to act out the scene. So why do dragons love parties? Maybe it's the conversation. Maybe it's the dancing. Maybe it's the comforting sound of a good friend's laughter. The only thing dragons love more than parties or tacos is taco parties. Taco parties are parties with lots of tacos. If you want to have some dragons over for a taco party, you'll need buckets of tacos, pant loads of tacos. The best way to judge is to get a boat and fill the boat with tacos. That's about how many tacos dragons need for a taco party. After all, dragons love tacos. Wow, that is a lot of tacos. Hey, dragon, are you excited for the big taco party? Just remember, dragons hate spicy salsa. Before you host your taco party with dragons, get rid of all the spicy salsa. In fact, bury the spicy salsa in the backyard so the dragons can't find it. So you see our little friend there behind the house is dumping out all the spicy salsa into a hole in the ground. These dragons love your taco party. They love the music. They love the decorations. They especially love the tacos. Congratulations. They're having such a good time. It's a good thing you got rid of all that spicy. Wait a second. What are those little green things in the salsa? You didn't read the fine print. Totally mild salsa. Now with spicy jalapeno peppers. Dragons, listen to me. Do not eat those tacos. Those little green specks in the salsa, those are jalapeno peppers. They are super spicy. I know you love tacos, Dragon, but you're not going to love those tacos. Do not let those dragons eat those tacos. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Too late. Uh-oh, look at all of that mess. Ooh. Oh no. Why would dragons help you rebuild your house? Maybe they're good Samaritans. People who are Samaritans are people who do good things to help other people. Maybe they feel bad about wrecking it. Maybe they're just in it for the taco breaks. After all, dragons love tacos. If you want to make friends with dragons, tacos are key.